Hey, what's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, back with another inspirational video. Before we get into the video, if you have not yet already subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe. Click the bell notification so you'll know whenever I go live or upload any new videos. With that being said, please remember that I am not a licensed financial advisor. This information that I'm providing you is for entertainment purposes only, and only trade and invest money that you can afford to lose. All right. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. All right. So you guys know my past videos, I am focusing a lot on investing long term. I think that is the responsible thing for me to do if I am going to grow to be an investment and trading influence here on YouTube. Okay, and so don't just trade Forex, but also invest your money for the long term. All right. Now, with that being said, these videos will focus more on instruments that you can trade in Forex and also trade in the stock market. Okay, so that's why I focus on things like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, because these are instruments that you can trade both in Forex or I should say it like this, that you can trade with a Forex ECN broker. Okay. All right. And we'll also look into some currency pairs as well. But yesterday, the stock market peaked and made the all-time high of $3,673.58. All right. It did not hold. All right. The previous high is, if you guys can draw your attention to this purple horizontal line right there, that was the previous high. It only peaked through it. It didn't break and hold. You know, we were looking for a break and a hold. However, I did share with you guys, here, let's drop down to the 1 hour. I did share with you guys where I noticed that we had a gap here, and I predicted that the market will come back to fill that gap at the very least, and it did just that. During the after hours of today, it did not fill it completely. Let's see, 35, 15, 35. So it's about $2 off. Sorry about that. It's about $2 off from filling that gap. Okay. So now we'll see if the gap will be filled, and then will the market continue to bounce up? Will those who are investing in the market, will they see value in investing more money to push this up, or is everyone panicking and pulling their money out? Okay, so I still think that this is a good time to invest. Anytime the market goes down is an phenomenal time to invest. It's not a time to panic, but it's a time to get in and say, you know what, I'm getting in this at a discounted price. That's how I look at it. Okay, I'm getting in at a discounted price, and through the grace of God, the mercies of God, through history, the U.S. economy has always bounced back during great pullbacks, or crashes, as people like to call them. Again, I don't call them crashes, I call them pullbacks. All right. But so we'll see. Either the market will just fill that gap and, continue to go up, or just consolidate, or it may come down. Now, it may come down somewhere in between where I have the green horizontal lines. Okay, that's the 34.49.83 price point and the 32.33.57 price point. All right, and so if it does decide to come down, in between there, again, these are very, very good places for you to take to not to take profit, but to get into the market. Okay, especially if the market comes down to 32.83.33. I think that would be an excellent point for you to get in and increase your investments. Okay. um, Yesterday, oh, it disappeared. I was gonna say yesterday, my investments, I was able to outperform the stock market on yesterday. Um, let's see, the CNBC. This has not been updated since 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yesterday, so they had the market at plus 1.17%, and I believe my portfolio outperformed the market, and we clocked in like at 2.8 or 2.9% gain. Currently, the pre-market, we're at a 0.25% gain. The market will not open until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then we will see then what the investors will do. Okay. um, let's see, let's just take a look at just the technical analysis. As long as we don't get a close below 35.21.68 today, I believe that the market will continue to go up. However, if we get a close and hold below, again, below 35.21.68, I think that the market will go down and test this area, this price point range that I have here, 34.49.83 down to 32.33.57, and just kind of really honing in on possibly coming all the way down to 32.83.82 before going up. But again, that is my prediction if the market does break and hold below 35.21.82. Okay. I finally have released my videos on trading the market makers method, which I think is a very, very good and easy method to trade when trading Forex. And so I've shared with you guys what I consider to be the easiest method, and that's trading the midweek reversal and doing that through Asian stacks. Okay. Just go, I think that is the intermediate Forex trading strategy playlist, so go check that out. All right. To get the full detail. So a lot of people are emerging on YouTube, and they're trading GJ. So and they're only trading that one pair and doing pretty good. And I think that would be really good for you guys if you're starting out. Trade a pair. Just trade only one pair and just focus on that one pair. Now, doing that, will you miss out on some trades if you're following the market maker midweek reversal method that I have out? Yes, you will. But again, that is if you're a beginner trader. You don't want to just flood your mind with too much, looking at different charts. Now, some of you may be able to do it. If you feel like you can do it, then hey, go for it. But glancing at this, it's too early. It's too early to tell, but we do see Asian stack from yesterday, Monday, okay, up to today. So that's two. So hopefully Wednesday will give us that third stack, and then you just look for your entry point to get in. I would probably recommend trading GBP USD just because it's decently volatile. It has pretty much has like a pretty low spread on on any Forex broker, and it's, it's trendy. Okay, and so um, we did not get the Asian stack here. All right, and again, this is a simple method. Now, of course, you can count levels and things of that nature, and count levels and factor in the ADR, and just in case the midweek reversal wants to come early or later. But again, I provided to you guys an easy method on trading the market makers method and the midweek, by trading the midweek reversal. That way you don't have to be at your chart early in the morning to trade the London session to be able to catch the false move down and catch the high of the day or low day. You don't have to do all that. You can just wait on the midweek reversal, all right, and trade it accordingly. And the best way to trade that is through my signature trade. All right, the Teach Me the Fish signature trade setup. And now to get that, you have to actually join the community at the teachmethefisheffects.com. But you don't have to. You can come up with your own signature trade setup. Just wait for the midweek reversal. Wait for a break retest confirmation of your choosing and trade accordingly. All right. So this is just one that I would recommend. GJ is a little bit more clean at time, and when I say clean, I mean it's a little bit more trendy. You see how it's pretty much up, it's pretty much down, it's pretty much up. So it's really good. GJ is a really good pair to trade. Okay. Also, another factor is because while the GBP is asleep, the JPY is awake. While JPY is asleep, GBP is awake. And so you don't have to worry about a lot of back and forth. And so that's what really creates like that trendiness. All right, it trends up and it trends down. Okay, so all right, so that's the Forex portion of it, guys. So I hope that this video has been inspirational to you guys. Again, I really want you guys to consider going over to think about investing in the long term. Okay. So right now, my Robinhood portfolio, I'm on the road to 1K. All right, the road to $1,000. I am hoping to get there by the end of this week, which I know I will. I'll be investing more money in by the end of this week. So we will hit the road to 1K. As long as we don't get any crazy pullbacks. All right, so that's the hope, that's the projection that I'm going for. All right, so all right, guys, again, I hope that this video has been inspirational to you. Please go through the other videos and playlist if you want to learn how to trade Forex, if you want to know exactly the instruments that I'm trading in for my Robinhood portfolio. If you want to know exactly how I'm able to outperform the stock market on several occasions. Everything is green right now. All the data points are green right now. The total account is up 6.56%. Again, all this is exponential. The more money that I'm able to drop in here, the more I'm able to grow this investing account, then the more my return is going to be, and dollar wise. But already just looking at it at percentage wise, I'm up over 6.5%. All right, and on a yearly basis, the market tends to you can look or expect anywhere between a 7 to 10% gain. So we're doing good. All right, we're doing good. Of course, we can't predict the future. We don't know what's going to happen, but looking at this thing technically and analyzing the fundamentals, analyzing the different companies and what's going on here in America and in the world, I'm fairly confident that overall, if you are an investor, you are going to come out on top. All right, and so that's why I wanted to start investing in the stock market. and not just trade Forex. So, all right, guys, again, I hope that this has been inspirational. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please comment. Let me know what you think about the videos. All right, guys, I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. And always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Happy pip fishing and stock investing. Bye-bye.